this is Oscar with Integrity Auto Collision. We've been asked lately about the safety inspections that are required by GM, and we decided to do a quick video of one inspection in particular that always gets asked in the industry, and that is the inspection of the steering column. Okay, per the repair procedures on a 2020 Cadillac, we have to get the steering column out and we have to measure from point A to point B as described in the repair procedures. So we have Mariano here. He's gonna demonstrate how do we measure what the repair procedures are calling for. And we go ahead and measure the column for the Cadillac. So what we're looking for is, if we measure from point A to point B, the measurement has to be no lower than 222 millimeters. Okay, so we're measuring and it has to be no less than 222 millimeters. And in this case, we have 227 millimeters. All right, second measurement we're looking for is going to be from the edge right here to this other edge of this bracket, and it has to be no less than 10 millimeters as described per the measurements from GM. Let's go ahead and measure that. Okay, what do we have? We have 14 millimeters. Another inspection that the repair procedures call for is this washers that are glued in place. We got to make sure the glue has not been broken or loosened. In this case, it's solid. So if any of these three inspections fails, the requirement is to replace the steering column. The washers over here, pins, or the measurement of the steering column. So this one is on our 2019 GMC truck. One of the inspections required for the manufacturer is to check this strap for any distortion or damage, and also this clip for any damage. All right, so now we're going to measure the steering column. In this case, we're going to measure from point A at the very top to the very bottom of the shaft, and it has to measure no less than 506 millimeters. Let's go ahead and measure that. We have 509 millimeters. That tells us that the length of it is good. Now we're going to measure from point A to point B of the shaft, and it has to measure no less than 58 millimeters. Looks like we have 61 millimeters. So measurement wise, this steering column is good. Alright, so with this quick video, we wanted to show you a quick inspection of the steering columns. Out of the 10 safety inspections that are required by GM when a vehicle gets into a collision. Some other inspections are for the brake pedal, for the seat mounting points, for the knee bolster, for the airbag brackets. On some other videos, we're going to show you how we do those.